Hi friends, welcome back to our grammar series. We're going to learn about the conjunction as. It's a small word, but it has a big job in sentence. She read a book as her dog slept. Here as connects two clauses. She read a book and her dog slept. The conjunction as shows the timing relationship between the two actions. As it started to rain, she put on her jacket, as shows the cause effect relationship between the rain and her action. As today is a holiday, the shops are closed. As today is a holiday, giving the reason, shops are closed is the effect. They grew up as best friends, as here describes the manner or role they had in each other's lives. As the teacher explained the topic, the students took the notes. Here as links the teacher's explanation with the students' actions. The plant grew taller as it received more sunlight, as shows the correlation between sunlight and growth. She shivered as the cold wind blew, as connects the cause wind blowing with the effect shivering. As I was doing my homework, my mom was cooking dinner. Here, as shows two actions happening simultaneously. As she tasted the lemon, she made a funny face as connects the tasting of the lemon to the reaction. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more language tips and lessons.